Go poo poo. Go poo poo. Here comes a helicopter. I heard it coming. It's on its way. There he is. Orange. That looks like Coast Guard. Well, we got the Coast Guard today. I think we had the Marines the other day. Now we got the Coast Guard today. Just a chem shit helicopter kind of day. Bright orange helicopter. Well, we got the old helicopters as we step out the door. That sounds like a military helicopter. Just had a plane buzz me. Was a military one. The Nazis are here, folks. The Nazis are here. Step out my door. Just another day in Nazi land. Waiting for my train. Here come the helicopters. It's been raining for days. Floods. Doggy bears. Always get the doggy bears. Doggy bears and helicopters. Going into the city, into the big city. More Army helicopters. Get a lot of those, folks. Those Army helicopters. Here on Long Island. Right here near the ocean. Very dangerous place. Helicopters. More helicopters. What would I do without helicopters? They can mind control them on the ground. They're mind controlling them up in the air. You can be sure of that. here in Brooklyn. Here comes the helicopters. It's a military helicopter too. It's a military helicopter. The Nazi Obama. Well, I gotta keep my camera ready at all times. I never know when I'm gonna get attacked. Yeah, some guy sent me a, well, I went on some post on Facebook, Citizens for Legitimate Government, I think that was the name of, that's the name of the page. It's a really good site because they got some really good stories on there. Excellent stories. And one of the posts said, beware, Special Operations Command was now on his Facebook page. Apparently he can see who's trafficking his pages. I wish I had that capability. I'd probably be shocked if I knew the fucking creeps that were stalking me. Go. I knew the people that were stalking me, I'd probably never get on the internet again. But yeah, he said Special Operations Command was on his page, and so I made a post on my my TI group. It says, if you think the military is not targeting Americans, you better think again. And then I get hit with some kind of Black Hawk helicopter or some kind of shit. That's what they do with TIs, is they play up whatever you say. That's what they target you with. So if I said I'm being stalked by aliens, I'll probably see, you know, a platoon of aliens following me or something, you know. It's really funny. They have nothing else better to do with their time and resources than to target me with their shit. I think it's hilarious. I hope they spend a fortune, several fortunes. Here comes the choppers. Watch out. They're in Queens doing work. Got the choppers coming in. Being followed by a helicopter. Goodbye, Mr. Helicopter. Well, another psycho event. I'm doing some work for this engineering company and doing my traffic counts, just minding my business and doing my job. Being harassed all day with mind control shit. as usual, and then I go back to the meeting place to meet with my my supervisor, and the very minute I get back there, she gets in an accident. The very second I drive in, some guy plows into her just as she's coming in. Unbelievable. What am I supposed to tell her? The mind controller's got her? I think she knows already. I think she knows about this shit. When we were in Brooklyn, I was working at a site in Brooklyn, and we had a horrendous accident. 3-car T-bone. Shut the whole intersection down for like the whole morning. Ambulances, fire trucks, everything you can imagine. Just shut the whole debris, glass, shit everywhere. I mean, it totaled 3 vehicles. It was bad. They carted at least three people to the hospital. And I told her that, I says, there's some psycho shit going on. I don't think she realized what I meant then, but maybe she does now. Maybe she's waking up. What do I tell people? These psycho CIA people are attacking you with mind control. Probably a warning to me. I had some woman come in and sell me some videos, DVDs, in this little Mexican restaurant down in Queens. And one of the titles of the video was, "They could see you everywhere." Like I don't know that already. And one of the things that happens to the guy in the movie is somebody slams into his car, into his taxi, puts him in the hospital. He said that was a warning in the movie to him. These fuckers are so fucking psycho. It's unbelievable.
I'm Ian Masters. I'd like to introduce Greg Gibbon. This program is available for podcasting at ianmasters.com.
Here comes the shit already. I just hop on the expressway and the shit starts up. So now what's going on?
Hi, this is Jerry.